Hi, good
Hello?
evening.
Hello?
Hello po.
How are you? How are you?
Match natin yan.
What? What did you say, sir?
I'm fine. How are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm good. I'm here in Philippines for vacation.
How are you from?
I'm from China.
Oh, China.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, naman best. Okay, thank you po, Giseline.
I'm from
Copy will
China.
join.
And I get the West Philippine Sea.
What?
I get the West Philippine Sea.
Ah, so very nice. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, naman best. Okay po.
How
Mylene
are you? What,
Castadio.
what are you doing here?
What?
What are you doing here?
I'm doing I don't know how to speak English.
Me too. I'm not good in English, but I can understand.
Do you
What?
Oh, naman po. Sige po, tambay ka po dito.
Hello, Ken. How
Do
are
you
you?
speak Tagalog?
Ay, only marunong po ko magsalita ng konti lang. Konti lang.
Ah, konti.
Opo.
Yun. Ah, okay. Nosebleed ako eh.
Yung nosebleed. Are you Chinese? Yeah, I'm Chinese.
My nose is bleeding. My nose is bleeding. How to speak English?
Marunong po ko mag-Tagalog. Konti lang po.
Ah, very nice.
Opo. Kamusta ka po dyan?
Okay lang po, okay lang po.
You okay?
In my little grocery.
Oh, grocery can I buy?
Okay, kaya mo yan.
Vinegar and sauces.
Oh, thank you.
I said, can I buy vinegar and soy sauce?
Yes, of course.
How much is this? How much?
Little bit. 15 pesos only.
Oh, 15 pesos. You don't have any discount?
Yes, of course.
Can I have a
Come here
discount?
and buy it now.
Oh,
Nakatulungan nyo naman ako dito mag-English po. Hindi po ako marunong masyado.
that's your English is really good. Your English is really good. Can I follow you?
Yes, of course. Thank you sa pag-follow.
Oh. Oh, so many have tried here in your place.
What?
So many kids in your place.
No, I don't.
I hear
No.
something. Playing kids. Are you playing with kids?
Fleeing what?
Playing with kids. Kids. Children. Children.
Oh, one little kids.
Oh. Where are you from in Philippines?
Kaya mo yan, no? Sutang.
Where are you
Hindi
from in
nga eh.
Philippines?
Nako. I try it to my best to talk English.
Hey, Michael, where are you in Philippines?
And Quezon City.
Oh, I'm from Quezon City. Oh.
Oh.
Taga Quezon City lang po kayo, yung Michael?
Opo. Taga Quezon City.
Malapit lang pala
Hindi
kayo.
po.
Quezon City lang pala.
In a province po. In a province. But I'm here in
Province.
Quezon City.
Hindi, marunong po talaga mag-Tagalog. Pasensya na po. Sorry ko.
Ah. Ay, loko. Pinahirapan mo ako ah. Loko ka pala eh.
Sorry.
Pag naglulukom ko, dumudugo na yung ilong ko dito sa kaka-English eh. Ayop na to.
Di ba mga ganong West Philippines, sila taga Pilipinas po talaga ako.
Okay.
Ah. It's a
Kaya
prank.
pala
It's a
iba.
prank.
Pinagpawisan ako sa'yo, na ina.
Namumula ka nga eh, kay Michael eh.
Kaya nga, hindi ka ako masyadong marunong mag-English eh. Hayop na yan.
Naubusan ako na English kay Michael, kaya nagtagalog na ako.
Ay, thank you sa pag-rose, sa pa-rose. Thank you po.
At taga Quezon Province ka. Quezon Province.
Hindi, Quezon City ako ngayon, pero taga Iloilo talaga ako.
Ah, Iloilo.
Oo. Kala ko nga, Chinese ka talaga eh. Pinoy ka pala.
Gago, Pinoy ako. Huwag ka marito.
Gago.
Huwag ka magalala, di ko agawi West Philippines eh. Taga Pilipinas ako eh.
Ang ina yan.
Namura pa ako, tangina.
Sige ba, thank you. Thank you,
Salamat.
bye-bye. Ay, sus.
Diba, pasok na. Pwede na. Pwede na ba mag-prank?